The whale, which was found in the Shandong Institute of Business and Technology, was bloodstained and had been cut open at the mouth. Information along with photographs of the whale soon spread over the internet and raised heated debate among students and faculty members. Members at the canteen estimated that the whale weighed as much as 400 kilograms, or around 900 pounds, and many students had inquired as to whether their dishes were being made from the whale meat. The local police began investigating the case, said the whale had been primarily identified as a rorqual, which is a second-class nationally protected species not allowed to be sold under any circumstances. The investigation revealed that the whale had been frozen for 2 months and was sent from a friend of the canteen manager for processing. After students posted the information on their microblogs and notified the police, the canteen manager returned the whale to his friend and did not sell the meat in the canteen. Related departments have stated that they will conduct further investigation in order to find out how the manager's friend acquired the whale in the first place.